In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Activecampaign to Circle. So, in just a few simple steps, this process will integrate your email marketing and community engagement platforms, giving you a seamless way to manage communications and interactions with your members. Let's dive right into it. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Activecampaign account. If you haven't already done so, grab a moment to do this now. Once you're in, head over to the settings page by clicking on the settings tab and then navigate to the developer section where you'll see the API access option. Here, you'll find both your API URL and your API key. These two pieces of information are crucial for establishing the connection between Activecampaign and Circle. So make sure to copy them carefully, possibly storing them securely in a text document for easy access later. Next, it's time to switch gears and log into your Circle.so admin account. Take a moment to ensure you're in the right space. Once inside, locate your profile photo and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and then go to the Integrations tab. This tab is where all your potential connections are managed, and it's what allows Circle.so to extend its capabilities through various integrations. Now, scroll down through the list of integrations until you find Activecampaign. Click on Connect or Add Integration. This is where you'll be prompted to paste the API details you copied earlier from Activecampaign. Carefully paste both the API URL and the API key into the respective fields and then click Connect. These steps effectively pair your Activecampaign account with Circle.so, enabling them to communicate seamlessly. With the integration setup, you must decide which specific Circle.so space or plan you want to synchronize. Select the one you prefer from the prompt. You will also need to choose the appropriate Activecampaign list to which you'd like to add your new members. Once you've made these selections, proceed to click Save Changes to ensure everything is properly set. To confirm that everything is functioning as intended, conduct a simple test. Add a new member in your Circle.so platform and then check to see if they automatically appear in the Activecampaign list that you've selected for synchronization. This test will confirm that your integration is set up correctly and operating smoothly. And that's it, with your Activecampaign account now connected to Circle. So you can streamline your workflows and enjoy enhanced functionality, helping to keep your community and marketing efforts aligned. If you encounter any issues during this process, be sure to double-check the API information for accuracy and ensure that all steps were followed precisely. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and until next time,